De La Sol Sapa Hotel is actually a 4-star hotel located at 16 Mong Hoa here sa Sapa, Vietnam. Sobrang lapit niya lang sa lahat dahil ito ay nasa city center. Meron na rin siyang restaurant na you can enjoy the view while eating or while having your coffee. Also, walking distance lang nga pala siya sa Sun World, sa Sapa Lake, sa plaza, ganun. Malapit lang siya, ganun. Yung room nga pala comes already with hot and cold shower, tapos may bathtub, tapos may queen size bed, tapos may free water and coffee and tea, tapos pwede kang araw-araw magpalit ng inyong mga bathrobe and yung towels. Ganda. Wow. Oh. Hi guys. We are here at De La Sol, Sapa. Napakita ko sa inyo ang aming room. Ito ang aming CR. Though isa lang siya, pero we have a bathtub. Yan. May bathtub siya and CR. And we also have bathrobes. 4 na bathrobes. Tapos, we also have kalagay dito yung aming safe. Safety deposit box. And meron silang plancha. Meron silang cafe gusto dito. If gusto nyo magkape. Free ang coffee, free ang tea. Tapos 2 queen-sized beds. They also have TV, aircon, and merong balcony. Labas muna tayo. One of the best views so far here in Sapa, Vietnam. Dito na ba ko? Magkano ba namin nakuha ito? Nabook nga pala namin tong De La Sol room namin through booking.com, and it cost, since 4 persons kami, nabook namin to for as low as 18,000 plus yung tax. Tapos, you don't have to pay directly sa booking.com kasi you can actually pay directly to the property on the day of your check-in. Tapos pwede mo silang kontakin through the messenger built-in doon sa app ng booking.com. Ayun lang.